Most people treat a first date like a performance. You're worrying about saying the right thing, looking perfect, and making sure they like you. But here's the truth. The moment you start trying to be perfect is the moment you stop being attractive. Today, we're breaking down the essential do's and don'ts of a first date so you can stop performing and start actually connecting. Before we get into the list, you need to understand one thing. First date isn't about finding the one. It's about discovering if you even enjoy their energy. If you go in trying to impress, you've already lost. Go in trying to learn. Let's start with the do's. 1. Punctuality is respect. If you're late, you're telling them their time is less valuable than yours. 2. Dress for you. If you feel uncomfortable in your clothes, it will show on your face. 3. The curiosity rule. Instead of an interview, ask open-ended questions. Don't ask, "What do you do?" Ask, "What's a project you're actually excited about right now?" 4. The 60-40 listening rule. Aim to listen 60% of the time. People don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. 5. Be kind to the third party. Watch how your date treats the waiter or the barista. That is exactly how they will treat you in 6 months. Let's start with the do's. Now the don'ts. These are the instant vibe killers. 1. The X factor. Talking about your ex for more than 30 seconds. Makes it look like you're not ready to be there. 2. The phone trap. If you're checking notifications, you're telling them the internet is more interesting than they are. Put it away. 3. Oversharing. You don't need to tell your life story in 2 hours. Leave some mystery for date number 2. 4. The agree to agree trap. Don't pretend to like everything they like just to be agreeable. Respectful disagreement is actually a massive green flag. It shows you have a personality. These are the instant vibe killers. Don't pretend to like everything they like just to be agreeable. Respectful disagreement is actually a massive green flag. It shows you have a personality. If you see red flags, like they're pressuring your boundaries or being controlling, it's okay to end the date early. Your safety and comfort come first. And if the spark isn't there, be honest. Simple, "I had a nice time, but I didn't feel a romantic connection," saves everyone weeks of ghosting and confusion. Be honest and move forward with respect. A successful first date isn't the one that leads to a wedding. It's the one where you stayed true to yourself. Which of these don'ts have you accidentally done before? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more mindset shifts for your dating life, hit subscribe.